Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lucy. Welcome. How are you doing today? I hope you're having an amazing day today. And today we're gonna dig into Inspire Me Korea subscription box, and actually I have two of those. I'm super curious to see what we have inside. I didn't open it yet, so it's gonna be a surprise for me as well. And if you are not familiar with K-beauty, Korean skincare, well, honey, what are you doing with your life? You need to get on board ASAP. And if you're into Korean beauty, well, honey, consider subscribing because there's gonna be more. And I know amazing Korean makeup artist, and I want to invite her to my channel to do a proper Korean makeup tutorial. I got those boxes from Inspire Me Korea, and this is a subscription service, but you can get the boxes as a one-time purchase as well. And as I mentioned, I have two of those, and one is K-beauty and the second one is K-culture. And honestly, by looking at the boxes, I don't know which one is which, so more surprises. So I'm gonna start with the lighter one. Ooh, satisfying. Okay, I need the scissors for this last part. So here's the box. Ooh, look at this, it's so pretty. Okay, now I don't want to look inside, and I'm gonna pick up first thing. Oh, and this is a leaflet. I'm not gonna look at this either. First product. It's a face mask, so we all know that we are doing K-beauty box right now. And this is Tea Tree Sheet Mask from Tolimoly. I think if you are into Korean beauty, for sure you know that brand. And basically you can use this mask to get rid of uneven skin tone. So yes, please. Now let's go for a second product, which is another sheet mask from Tolimoly. This one is Pomegranate, and this one is a firming mask, so honey, you know that I'm gonna love this. Okay, let's go for another. Oh, this is heavy. I saw on their website that they are doing Tolimoly month, and honestly I thought it was a previous month, but hey, I'm not gonna complain. Now we have another product from Tolimoly, and this is a Ceramide Mochi Toner that is moisturizing and it improves elasticity in your skin. I think we're gonna be friends. We have something more. Like, look at this! Camera focus, bitch. Look at this, this is so cute! I'm guessing that's gonna be a lip balm. Oh my god, the smell of it, I'm already addicted. And do we have anything more? Paper. And last product is this Egg Pore Nose Pack. So basically you know what to do with this. You put this on the nose to get rid of your blackheads. To be honest, I'm not the fan of nose strips. I tried few brands and all of them didn't deliver the results that I was looking for, so I just gave up. But since we have this one here, I'm gonna give it a go. Maybe it's gonna be better. And honey, that's it for K-beauty box. It retails for almost 20 pounds. And I'm gonna put on the screen the total value of this box because honestly, I don't know the prices yet. I'm gonna Google it, but the magic of editing, you already saw the prices. So we got Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner, and I'm assuming this is the most expensive product from the box. Then we got the Egg Pore Nose Strip. We got two face masks, this peachy lip balm. Overall, I'm not mad at this box, but I wish we had at least one more product to pop up the value of this box. Let's link to the second box, the K-culture one. That's gonna be full of surprises. One thing for sure, no one's gonna get to your box before you. Why is this happening? Here we are. This is Inspire Me Korea K-culture box, and inside we have the same type of packaging that I love. Oh my god, I feel a book. Oh, I feel more than one book. This is so cute. Like, you can learn words. And on the other side you have the writing, the proper writing. Teokoboki. means spicy rice cake. Okay, now I can order my food. Okay, let's dig to the second product, and this is, I don't know what it is. Inspire Me Korea: Culture, History, Lifestyle, Language, Food. Okay, so this is a magazine when you can read more about Korean culture, food. You have some pictures if you wanna cut this and put into the frame, and some places to visit if you are going to Korea when we finally gonna be able to travel. So if you wanna expand your horizons or you are just planning a trip to Korea, I think that's gonna be useful. Okay, let's go for another one. Oh, this is heavy. Inspire Me Korea Yearly Planner. Like, I'm so happy because I was about to buy one and now I have this cute guy. It's quite clear, a little bit colors as well, so it's not boring. It has weeks, it has to-do list, it has shopping list, like all I need. You had habit tracker, so if you wanna lose weight, save money or whatever, you can track your progress. Okay, that's gonna be useful. And let's see what else we have here. Oh, okay, so I'm Broccoli, and this is another Tony Moly sheet mask, and this one is energizing and vitalizing mask. Honestly, I don't think I've ever tried skincare with broccoli, so that's gonna be a trip. And do we have some? Yes, we have more. So we have a pen with something on top, and if you're gonna tell me what it is, please do. What else we have here? Oh, a leaflet. Something more is coming. Little bird stickers. Am I living for them? Not really, but if you have kids at home, they're gonna love it. Oh, actually, I took two things out. 24 karat gold sticker. So I'm assuming that it's gonna be for good luck. At least that's what it is in Chinese culture. No, I'm talking rubbish. This is electromagnetic wave filter. Okay, I need to Google it how to use it. I'm not sure if I believe in this. And lastly, we have folding paper. I thought origami is not a Korean thing, but I might be wrong. So I will use those for product photography, and I know that's not gonna be the case for everyone, but for me, actually, I think those gonna be the most used products out of this box. And just to sum up this video, will I keep my subscriptions to Inspire Me Korea boxes? Well, as far as K-Beauty box goes, well, I will have to first of all sum up the value of the products that we got inside and see if it's worth it or not. I'm a little bit disappointed that I got the Tony Moly month because I know the brand, and for me the reason to get those subscription boxes is to try the brands that you've never heard of, never tried before. So maybe I'll keep it for another month and see where it's gonna take us. But as far as K-culture goes, I don't think I'm gonna keep my subscription. Well, it was fun, but it wasn't £20 fun. Okay, and I think that it has. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this video, and if you want me to do more subscription boxes unboxing. And see you on the next one. Bye!